I walked up and got her in position and crit like.
Yo, can we clear comms for a sec? There's tempo heading to Burning Steps now. I need everybody in Burning Steps right now.
We have not seen our raid.
Enemy raid below us.
Oh shit.
Just saying.
So we're hiding in this here tower. Alright.
Quickly summon Tiger. Quickly summon Tiger.
They're already going. They're very loose. Two are just going by themselves.
Camping horde.
I don't know. It's pretty good money. The only thing you'd replace it with is engineering, and that's just a gold sink. So
I probably won't take any, Jack. I don't have any room. I got all these sappers.
it hasn't started yet.
Broke bitches in the back.
Fight.
Oh, here they come. Here they are. Here they are.
On me.
Go. Majors go. Fap.
They're coming out of the building.
Lose fan.
Oh, nope. Whole raid.
Go, Majors in. Nova.
Backline. Go.
Go. Get in.
Yeah,
See, we need to blink it.
Of
We need to
course.
blink in it. We need to...
Wipe them.
Backpedaling. Backline, boys, backline.
Kill them all.
I got full sheep.
There's no reason to carry sappers yet. I don't have them on me.
Wipe them, boys. We got this.
I'm interrupting healers in the back.
Purge everything.
On me? 2 bars on the back.
Johnny, get him off you. Keeping that mage off you.
Battle rest me. We got 3 heal.
We got 3 on a read.
Take the ones in our backline. Take the ones in our backline. Our backline. Turn around and kill him. Thorna's going down, team. Hysteria. Finish Hysteria.
Come on, clean it up. They're almost all dead. Clean it up.
Get that rogue.
Logaluso. Kill the one on
the
Pirate. Pirate's on our back line. On our heels. Fairbanks, Rogue. You guys gotta kill Pirate and Fair again.
Heal the raid. Heal the raid.
Kill Pirate, team. Pirates at 2.
Good work, boys. Good work.
Right here.
Yo, Jeremy.
Going down.
Clean it up and then we go. Clean it up.
Kill their main tank, Cindy.
Hey, can we put a portal up?
They're taking a portal out. Don't let them portal. Finish these guys.
Out. We're done. Out.
Restart the fear. Oh my god.
Quickly res up and attack these guys. Do not let them get in the portal. I got you, Shmoo.
Wait, how did?
We're done, boys. Good fucking work.
Nice job, boys.
We'll just watch.
Yeah, so that actually went way worse than it could have.
Yeah.
Because it was so
That couldn't have been random.
Of course it's not random.
I'm going for a cigarette. Good work, everyone. You did awesome. We did really well.
I said see you next Saturday, baby. What happened? I know. We got.
Vipers, hunters is very important.
We got.
That's like
Well, my guild got. Yeah, the horde came out of their mud huts.
They're certainly nice to have, like, pretty much any time.
And we're
Does fire
fuming
reflect?
now, dude.